Hi guys, I'm here right now in Prague and I'm traveling all by myself. So this is the street where my hotel is. It's just a very simple hotel. It's called the Pav and it's on Kremekova Street. I hope that I got that right. But it's a very sleepy area in the city of Prague and I actually like it. It's all families and it's really near the old part of Prague. So if you see, all the buildings are still nicely restored. Sana ganito din sa Pilipinas. I'm sure if we kept it well, mas maganda pa. So here you go. Hi guys, I'm still here in Praha. And I'm just exploring by myself. I don't even have a map and that's not advisable. But anyway, I'm just following the hordes of tourists. As I mentioned earlier, it's tourist season here because it's summer at marami talaga nagbabakasyon. So kung saan sila pumunta, doon na rin ako. All else fails, I'll follow the pigeons home. It's really beautiful. The architecture is centuries old. It's actually quite refreshing to see old buildings after living in Makati for years with modern skyscrapers. So nakakatuwa tingnan yung mga lumang gusali nila dito.
We'll just follow the tram lines.
And for my male friends, ang daming magagandang babae dito sa Czech Republic. There. Now I'm walking to another part of town. I just asked the guy in the tourist information center because like I said, I have never been here. It's my first time, so I hope I don't get lost.